Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with both safety and reliability without having to break the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Honda CR-V EX in dark olive metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8258A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.